Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can turn off read receipts on Instagram DM. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram application and the interface will look somewhat like this. Now head over to your chat section. Now go ahead and select any chat that you want or that you like. For instance, I'll just select this. Now what you can do is go ahead and tap on your profile. Now you'll be appear with several options. What you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on privacy and safety. Once you tap on it, again the different options will be available for you, which is keeping your account secure, who can see your activities and many more, and among them is the read receipts. Now what you have to do is simply tap on it and it will be automatically turned off. Now once you turn that off, the another person or the person won't be able to see if you have sent the message or not. Make sure that this function is not available in vanish mode. So make sure to turn off your vanish mode and only enable this option. So yeah guys, this is how easily you can turn off read receipts on Instagram DM. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.